Are you getting the sometimes went wrong? Please try again later error on Snapchat for Android? It's often related to connectivity, cache, or temporary server issues. So, start by checking your internet connection first. Then, switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves it. If not, go to your phone settings. Then, apps, app management, or manage apps depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. This removes any corrupted files that might be causing the error. Next, ensure that your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store. An outdated version can sometimes trigger bugs like this. Also, check if app permissions by going to settings again, then apps, app management or manage apps, then Snapchat, and now permissions. And make sure Snapchat has access to everything it needs, especially internet and storage. If the issue still continues, try restarting your phone or logging out of Snapchat and logging back in. As a last step, uninstall and reinstall the app. If nothing helps, the error might be on Snapchat site. So check for outage on Down Detector or Snapchat support on Twitter or any social media accounts. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.